Welcome to Cornerstone Acres. Today's video is going to be a very interesting topic. This is a really spoken or a talked topic, and it usually involves us businesses, corporate world. But today I want us to apply this in either agriculture, but when it comes to agriculture, I want us to apply it in our poultry farm business, or our poultry farming. And this interesting topic is SWOT analysis. Most of you must have heard of something called SWOT analysis, but how do we get to apply it in poultry farming? So today's topic will be applying SWOT analysis in poultry farming, it being a strategic approach. So to start off, poultry farming is a vital sector of agriculture that provides a significant source of protein-rich food products worldwide. So to succeed in this competitive industry, poultry farmers must adapt strategic planning and management techniques. So one valuable tool in this regard is the SWOT analysis, which stand for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. This video will explore how to apply SWOT analysis in poultry farming, and we are going to give a case study or an example, a real life illustration that is practicality and benefits. So let's first understand what is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool that helps business access their current it's a planning tool that helps business assess their current position and plan for the future. It involves evaluating internal factors. Those internal factors are what we call the strengths and weaknesses, and as well evaluating external factors, which are the opportunities and threats. So let's break down each component. So when it comes to strengths, these are internal factors that give your poultry farm a competitive advantage. Strengths can be or can include factors such as experienced staff, efficient operations, high quality poultry feed, or even excellent disease management practices. So when it comes to the other aspect of the weaknesses, these are the internal factors that can hinder your farm growth or success. For example, examples of weaknesses may include inadequate infrastructure, lack of training for your staff, or poor financial management. The other point is opportunities. These are external factors. Opportunities. External factors that your poultry farm can exploit are considered opportunities. So this could be market trends, technological advancement, changes in consumer preferences, or government incentive for poultry production. Now last is the threats now. External factors that can potentially harm your poultry farm are threats. So common threats in poultry farming include diseases outbreak, market competition, fluctuating feed prices, or changing regulations. Now that we've understand this SWOT analysis, how do we get to apply it in poultry farming? So applying SWOT analysis in poultry farming is our next step. Identify and list. So begin by identifying and listing the internal strengths and weaknesses of your poultry farm. Consult your team members and gather data to create a comprehensive list. The next step is analyze. For each strength and weakness, delve deeper to understand how they impact your farm's operations and profitability. This analysis will help you identify areas for improvement and growth. Next step is now to identify external factors. Next, identify external opportunities and threats that could affect your poultry farm. Stay updated on industry news and market trends to spot potential opportunities and threats. Our next step, or now I want us to see an example, a real life example, and we are going to use we are going just to name a farm, Sunny Farms. Let me call the example that we are going to use is a farm called Sunny Farm. So this Sunny Farm, it has this strength which I'm going to mention. They have experienced poultry management team with over 10 years of industry experience. Sunny Farms again has state-of-the-art biosecurity measures to prevent disease outbreaks. They also have access to consistent and high-quality supply of poultry feed. So those are, to name a few, strengths. Weaknesses. They have an aging infrastructure that requires significant maintenance. They have a limited financial resources for expansion. They rely on a single distribution channel. When it comes to opportunities, there is opportunity for increasing consumer demand for organic and free poultry products. They have identified that. They've identified that government grants and subsidies for sustainable farming. There is also emerging technology for automated poultry farming. What are some of the threats? They are facing potential disease outbreaks due to changing climate conditions. There is intensifying competition from larger poultry farms. There is fluctuating feed prices influenced by global markets. So what will be Sunny Farm strategic plan based on SWOT analysis? So after conducting a SWOT analysis, it's crucial to develop some strategies that leverages strengths, addresses weaknesses, capitalizes on opportunities, and mitigates threats. So for our example, our farm is a Sunny Farm. So Sunny Farm might consider investing in infrastructure upgrades to address weaknesses and enhance biosecurity measures. They might consider exploring diversified distribution channels to reduce reliance on a single outlet. They might consider implementing sustainable farming practices to tap into government incentives and meet the growing demand for organic poultry. They might also as well consider monitoring climate condition closely and having contingency plan in place for potential disease outbreaks. So to summarize our application of SWOT analysis in poultry farming, SWOT analysis is a valuable tool for poultry farmers looking to make informed decisions and stay competitive in the industry. By understanding and strategically leveraging their strength, addressing weaknesses, capitalizing on opportunities, and mitigating threats, poultry farmers can develop robust strategies that lead to sustainable growth and success. Sunny Farms, the example that we've given above in this video, Sunny Farm case study demonstrates how SWOT analysis can be applied effectively in real-world poultry farming scenarios. So providing a blueprint for others in the industry to follow. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are counting on you. Make sure that you hit that notification bell. As well, share this video with in your social media, and we will move forward. Thank you guys for your time. Until next time, bye bye.